Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Bigin CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you unlink or delete your PayPal account from your Bigin CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to unlink or remove your PayPal account from your Bigin CRM anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes PayPal can put your funds on hold, so maybe you want to stop receiving payments through PayPal. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Bigin CRM. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Bigin account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to unlink your PayPal account as a payment method, here on the top right, you want to click on this gear icon. Once you click there, you're going to see this gray menu here to the left, and you want to click on organization. All right, once you click there, you're going to see these four options at the top, and you want to click on payments. Okay, once you click there, you're going to be in the Zoho checkout, and you're going to see the Stripe logo and PayPal logo. To unlink or disconnect your PayPal, click on this red disconnect button. Okay, so next you're going to see this pop-up warning you that if you disconnect this PayPal gateway, your payments cannot be received through PayPal for your customers. If you're okay with that, click on this red disconnect button. Okay, just a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see the PayPal logo has a green connect button under it. So now my payment links will not include a PayPal payment method. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to unlink or remove your PayPal from your Bigin CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.